I single-handedly accommodated my best friend when she has a house rent issue for 7 good months without complaint. I take care of every bill, starting from house rent to the food we eat. During these times, I have been noticing some red flags from her, but I ignore everything because we have been friends for more than 7 years. Until one day when our dressing mirror got broken and I jokingly told her, babe, you have to get new ones for who to replace this one. And she looked me into my eyes and tell me that she's not buying anything, that is for my own convenience, that if I want I can buy it, or if I don't want I can just let it be. After all, this is not her home. We laughed over it and continued our friendship. After all, that mirror cannot cost us our friendship. So during my birthday, I was expecting a gift from her, at least even if it's a 100 recharge card. But after the birthday, I didn't receive anything. I was like, babe, you didn't gift me anything on my birthday? And she looked me into my eyes and said she doesn't gift people gifts on their birthday. Meanwhile, this lady has a man friend. She's dating a married man, and both of us share the same birthday. She bought many gifts for the man friend, but she didn't get anything from me. I was beginning to reason like a human being. This time around, I started being so observant. I started noticing that she always mingle with people I told her that I'm not in good term with. Not that I'm not in good term with them, but I just greet and pass. Just greet and pass neighbors, you know. I was the only younger lady there. And my instinct keeps reminding me that something is wrong somewhere. A few weeks later, her character changed automatically. To allow peace to reign, I left the house for her and went to my friend's place so that she can clear off whatever is worrying her. While I was with my friend, the landlady called me one day and asked me if I'm planning to pack out from the house. I told her no. She said my friend, my roommate, called her and she said she wants to pay for the house no matter what it costs. So I quickly called my roommate and told her to pack out from my house before I come the next day. She started pleading with me and I told her I give her 7 days to pack out from my house. On the 5th day, I got a call from our compound people that she is packing her things out from the house without even informing me, just because she has a spare key. So the next day, I went back to the house and met only her ecolag and her gas cylinder. So I quickly called her and told her that someone told me that she packed her things out from the house. When is she coming to pack the remaining one? She said that she please give her enough time, that in the next 3 days she will come and pack them out. Immediately, I rushed to the market and got a new key and locked my door because I know very well that she might come when I'm not around. I guessed her informant must have told her that I changed the door key. The next day around 10 p.m, she called me and told me that she's waiting for me to pick her remaining things. For security purposes, I have to call 2 of my men friends to escort me to go to my house and open the door for her so she can pick her remaining things. One of the guys was outside the gate and one of them followed me to the house. I opened the door and she picked her things. I dusted my nyash unapologetically and left. 1 year later, my phone rang. I picked it and it was her. She was like, please, she's sorry, that she was sorry for what happened so many years ago, that she don't just know what entered her, that is the work of the devil, that she has been missing me, that she wants her relationship to continue, blah, 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 blah. I was like, I've forgiven you. Go and sin no more. But for the relationship, my dear, I think I'm okay staying alone. And she was even pleading me to help her for her house rent. Oh, my good mind. I still give her 100k to join with the one she have. And she thanked me and wished to come back to my house again. But since then, I've learnt my lesson and I've learnt it in the hard way. In fact, it was God that saved me from her hand. I thank God for that, and I decided not to have